Hello everyone. Hola a todos. Welcome back to my channel Spanish with Manya, where you learn Spanish in a most interesting and easy way. Today, we are going to do a quick revision session of what we have learned so far, which is the alphabets and the numbers. So even if you're new to this channel, you can still join this revision. Don't worry. Let's start. Vamos. So let's start with the alphabets first. Repite conmigo. Repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, K, H, I, खोता, का, L, M, N, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Muy bien. Okay, so do you know why it is called ube doble in Spanish? Because it has two V's. Can you notice? That's why it's called ube doble. Doble means two. Okay, people, let's move towards the numbers now. Repite conmigo otra vez. Repeat with me again. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's move forward towards 21. Now, 21. You remember I said we have to replace the E from here and add I. So, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now, do you know why we add this Y in between 30 y uno? This is the art of Spanish. Let me explain to you. 30 is, just a sec, 30 is 30. Uno is 1. This E is called and in Spanish. So this E here means and. So 30 and 1 equals 31. 30 and 2 means 32. That's how the Spanish numbers are made. So 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Just like that, 40 y uno is equals to 41. It's very easy. You just have to keep practicing so that you can learn it very easily. So 41, 42, 43, 44, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. Again, 51, 52, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. Again, the cycle continues. 60, 70, 80, 90 y 100. And with this, you know, y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now I have this very interesting section of this video, which is mix and match. So let's mix alphabets and numbers together. Tell me in the comments, what are these called? Repeat after me or write in your notebooks. B, siete. Now this one. S, 18. Z, Z, 77. M, 84. R, 15. So this way you can practice more and more, right? So now it's your turn. In the comments, write your name in Spanish letters and also your favorite number in Spanish, and I'll check your answers. Muy bien, amigos. You revised the alphabets and numbers with me today. Keep practicing, keep learning, and in the next video, we'll learn something new, something fun. Till then, like this video, share it with your friends, and comment your answers below. Hasta luego. See you later.